Hey guys, Allison here with Novus Home Mortgage. Right now we are in anything but a totally normal housing market, right? Every time you hear something, you hear about how crazy the market is and no one can get an accepted offer. I thought it might be helpful to actually break down the facts of what that looks like to make it a little bit less intimidating. So the average home that's on the market right now and that's closing out is getting 3.8 offers for every listing. On top of that, the average home in the US is selling and going under contract in 17 days, which is a pretty quick turn time. But a lot of us look at it and see, these crazy posts on social media and the news of something sold in 20 offers in only an hour. That might not be the norm for the area that you're looking in. It might have just been a fluke incident with one of the homes. The market is definitely calming down. The other thing that this has changed in this market a ton is that right now the list price is a jumping off point for negotiation. The home is being priced to go into multiple offers. People aren't putting their home up high and going, well, maybe someone will offer me something here. They're putting their home on the market here and then hoping that people offer here and here and here to be in bidding wars with each other. So it's just something to keep in perspective when you're going to the housing market of how things have shifted. If this is something I can connect you with an agent to help you understand your specific market better, I'd be happy to. Please reach out. Thanks for watching.